Brian?
Brian.
You don't look like a Brian. Do you? What's your name? Hello?
You can just go straight and start going because I have to get home, so please go to the light now and then make it right. Because
Okay.
I have to go, so please hurry.
Okay.
No, please go. No, sir, come on.
Alright, get out. We're done. We're done. We're done.
This person who got into the car, at first when the guy was like, you know, oh, you don't look like a Brian, I was like, well, you know, sometimes, you know, your friends can order you an Uber. So like that was a little like, eh. But then, you know, she started not replying and then she was like, I just need you to go straight. You can't just come into somebody's car and give them tood. Like that's not nice.
Hello?
Hi, you're parked in front of me. I can see your car.
Where are you at? Yeah, I'm in the parking lot. I don't know where you are. Do you see my car?
God. So I'm going to walk over to your car, but one of the reasons that I call for a ride is so that I do not have to walk.
I'm sorry?
Oh my
I was in
God.
the building
Uh-huh.
and you just went totally went past me and then over there, here.
Yeah, I've never been here before. I don't know where the door is.
Does this
Okay.
look like a door? Does this look like a door?
Oh my God.
I'm gonna cancel the ride if you're gonna be disrespectful.
Please do. Please cancel that ride.
So it's up to you.
The reason you put in an address is that
You can hop out. You can hop out.
That is the energy. That is the energy. This woman really came in so entitled, like, I'm gonna have to walk to your car. Didn't you have to walk from your house, your apartment, wherever you were living? Didn't you have to walk down from there? And you had to walk outside? What's a couple more steps to get to the car? It's not a big deal. Get your cardio in, all right? Get your steps. Everybody's supposed to be taking 10,000 steps a day. Clearly, you have a problem with that. Take your steps.
How many are you?
4, I believe.
If it's more than 4, I cannot take it. No, it's too many.
Oh my
I cannot do
God.
that.
Mom.
No.
We're fine.
No.
Why not?
Because if I get a ticket or if I have an accident, I go to jail. And I have 3 kids. I cannot go to jail for shit like that.
Oh, so you won't even like let us?
Yeah, already canceled.
Alright, okay. Sorry.
The nerve of some people. If you have that many people, get a bigger Uber. It's a thing. You don't have to get the small one. Clearly, you need to get somewhere. And if you have all your friends, either take transit or get a bigger Uber. You can't just walk in here entitled like, well, I'm paying you. Do you see my face right now? This is how frustrating. Baby, you gotta stop that. You gotta stop that. That's not cute. Welcome back, all of my beautiful friends on the internet. Welcome to reacting to entitled Uber riders getting owned. We're about to spill a lot of tea. We're about to watch a lot of Karens. It's gonna be fun. But before we continue with the video, let me just remind you guys that my girl, Lindsay Ivan, is launching her brand new reaction channel called Peach at the end of this month. It's gonna be a huge launch and we wanna see you guys there. So make sure you go and subscribe. I'm sure there's some kind of bell or something popping up on the screen everywhere for you to go click and subscribe and turn on the bell and do all that fun stuff. We will see you at the premiere. It's gonna be awesome. Bye. I don't know why I said bye. Let's continue with the video.
So you're the guy who would drop our friends off but not
Yep.
pay an extra color. Is that it?
Yeah, like what the f happened? Like you really?
I don't know if I'm gonna go into this car with this guy.
Okay, that's fine.
You really like just drop our friends off?
just stop. Come on, we gotta go. Is there gonna be an issue?
No,
I
but
don't want there to be an issue.
you dropped our friends off and we just asked you to pick up one extra person.
Shut the
There
door.
is an issue because.
Ladies, we gotta get back. They're waiting for us inconveniently.
Okay, well,
Listen
whatever.
to the guy.
We'll go. We're in
Let's
the car.
just be.
I think I'm gonna
Man.
cancel the ride.
Let's just do
You're gonna
it.
cancel our ride?
You get away with it.
We're right here, right
Yep.
now.
I'm just not gonna be sitting here disrespecting my own car.
I'm in the car right now.
Please get out.
He said all he needed to say. If you're gonna come into somebody's car and immediately start disrespecting him, like, what's the problem? What's going on? Don't badmouth the person who's trying to get you there, because you're just gonna get kicked out, you're gonna be stranded, and like you're gonna be, you know, even more upset about whatever situation. Like, you're just hurting yourself now.
What?
Okay.
Hey, you're good. Good. Yeah, I can only take 4 people.
He can only take 4 people. is
What?
he said.
Yeah.
You can sit
Okay,
4 seats, 4 people.
No. I can only take 4. What? All right. It's a Prius. Hey, I can only take 4 people.
Oh, can you just go,
No,
please?
stop.
Are you serious?
Dude, it's not comfortable.
Alright,
Let's
alright.
get out.
Can you cancel?
Cash? Or no?
No.
No, it's not
Wow.
good. It's not enough. Nothing's not enough. If we give you some more cash.
No, I think it's just better if you guys.
The bribery.
Get up, Abby. No, he's not doing cash. Abby.
No, I don't want to. I don't want
Wow.
Because he's complaining about.
Thank you.
These guys trying to turn it into a bigger situation than it is. Like, it says on the app, when you order the car, how many passengers can fit in the car. If you have more than 4, you have to get a bigger Uber. It's not that hard. Yeah, sure, it's extra, but like, if there's more people, can't you just split the ride between all of you? Like, it's not gonna be that expensive. Treat people with dignity and decency, and then maybe they'll help you out. But you can't just be like, come on, just do it. Here's $7. Are you kidding me?
Yo, I can't take 5 people, only 4.
Nah, we can take 5.
Nope.
We're friends.
Nope.
Yeah.
Can't take 4, or can only take 4.
Nah, we can take 5.
Huh?
Wrong answer.
Nope. Out.
Wrong answer.
I'm not taking the ride then if you guys aren't. I can't take 5.
Really?
It's against the law.
I'll give you $20.
Against the
Oh
law.
my god, against the bribe.
Huh? It's against the law.
You got a seatbelt right here.
Yeah, for 4 people.
Dude, you're crazy.
If I give you an extra 10, you won't
Nope.
take the ride.
It's not. It's against the law. Dude, yo, seriously?
Yeah.
Out.
Leo.
Oh my god.
Out. Come on.
The disrespect.
Face like
Dude, dude, you're fucking stupid.
Wow.
You would have got a lot of. You
Shut the
would
door.
have got a good tip.
Out.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna chalk this all up to them being heavily intoxicated because I'm pretty sure that's the situation that's happening. But again, you can't just come in, be like, oh, I'm gonna fit all the people in here like it's a clown car, and then I'm gonna give you an extra $20 on the side. That's not how that works.
Can we come use it? Or no? You got an ox?
Whoa, stop.
It's an ox.
Stop grabbing my stuff, please.
What an ox at?
Oh my god.
You got an ox?
No, I don't have enough.
So he said, what the music at? No, it's my bitch. No, we cannot. No, listen. You don't have
You can get out if you like. It's a 5-minute drive.
It's a 5-minute drive.
I'm trying to tell you, we gotta rap
It's
to
a
the
5-minute drive. Do you
combo
wanna go or
with
do you
some
wanna get
music
out?
though.
Wait. Go back.
You're a whack. It's my bitch's birthday. You're a whack.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Hey, at least these people actually ordered a bigger car. At least you don't have that problem again. Oh my goodness. You can't go into a stranger's car and start touching their stuff and feel like you are entitled to all of the stuff in their car. The only thing you are entitled to is the ride that you paid for. That's not the energy we need in 2021.
Monza's back there, just so you know. This is Carmelo's, that's Monza.
The address says Carmelo's.
Oh no, it's Monza, it's back there.
Okay, I can't read minds. I can only go by what it tells me.
Okay, well, are you in a good mood?
I was right up until somebody told me that I was supposed to pick them up at a place where the address didn't tell me to pick them up. You realize that the address that
Doesn't matter, are you good? Can you get me home safe and sound?
Yes,
Or do I need
you
to
realize
call
the
all
address you gave me was Carmelo's.
No.
See it right there at the
Doesn't
top?
matter, are you okay? Or are you gonna have an attitude?
I don't think it's
I'm
his
done.
attitude you gotta
This
worry
ride is
about.
canceled.
You've gotta be kidding me. You are the first person in the history of time that has ever been upset with me or anybody, Lawrence, for being in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Well, there's a first time for everything.
This is the first time for everything. Wow, this woman's really acting like, well, you picked me on the wrong spot. He can only come pick you up at the address that he gave you, or you gave him, whatever. The address that was given, that's where he's gonna go. What in the world is happening?
Get the out of my car, bro.
What is happening? Sir, just drive away. Just leave. Leave the situation. We don't need that. Oh my god. Literally, like, not even 10 seconds in, he's just, no, get out of my car. Nope, I don't want any of this. I really hope everybody's okay. Something clearly was going on. So I hope everybody's fine. But that was a lot of drama that did not need to happen in the Uber.
You made me wait 10 minutes, bro. Get the f out of my car right now. I'm canceling this ride. No, I don't know you. Get out of my car. It's canceled, bro. Get out of my car. It's open.
Let me get out, man.
Just push the door. Okay, there's a camera right there, buddy. You want me to call the police?
Call the police, man.
Ooh.
Want me to call the police?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna call the police?
Deport me? You want to deport me?
Nobody's gonna deport you, man.
Yeah.
Get out. There's a camera right there.
Kick me out then.
I am kicking you out. Get out of my car. It's my vehicle. I will call the police right now.
Call the police.
I will. Guy, you won't get out of my car when I ask you to leave. Ricky's Country Restaurant. He says he's gonna leave now because I called the police.
Wow.
Stay on the phone with me until he gets out.
Yeah.
Oh my god. This person really tried to stick it out. I'm honestly surprised that the driver waited 10 minutes and then canceled the ride. Usually, I mean, I don't know about Uber, I use Lyft, but with Lyft you have 5 minutes and then after 5 minutes they're gone. So I'm really surprised that he stuck around.
Yeah, I'll warm it up for you. I'm dressed kind of warm, so I got a heated seat. Okay, you're going a couple stops. First to the smoke shop. I got the heater on full blast, sir. I can't, and I got to keep some windows down for the COVID, okay? That's the law. Okay, I'll drop you up at the smoke shop. This isn't fun for me.
In a quarter mile, stay on North
Okay, then get out here.
using the upcoming right lane.
I'm a diamond member.
You can do what you want. You're on video.
I'm a diamond member.
Rude to me. You've been canceled. I can cancel anyone I want. It's my car.
I'm gonna sue you.
Do, please do.
I'm gonna
Sir, get out of my car now.
I'm gonna pull a gun on you.
Just get out of my car. That's all I'm asking for, okay?
Wow, you really did not have to do that. If you're cold, put a jacket on or just suck it up. I'm a diamond member. You can't do this to me. That's like Karen energy.
Yo, come on now. Hello. You know you have 4 people, right? You know you have 4 people.
I can't get in 4 people.
No, it's on the app that says 3 people for a regular. No, you gotta order a XL for 4. Oh, no, because the coronavirus, 3 people could sit in the back, that's it.
Okay, well, since are you can go ahead, I have to go to work. I can't just go right now.
I can't do that.
You can't do that. These people really can't continue debating. Like, it's written in the rules. It's on the app. You saw the thing and you decided to ignore it. That's not on them. That is on you, boo. You did that to yourself. Well, that's all the videos that we have for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed reacting to some of these entitled people. Hopefully you cringed a little bit so you know not to do this. Be nice to your Uber drivers. Don't forget to tip, rate 5 stars, and subscribe to this channel. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. I'm sorry, but my neighbors just decided to mow the lawn and use power washers today, so it's great. At first, are you kidding me? I know exactly where this person is mowing their lawn, and it's in the same spot. You're going to run out of grass. Causing a scene. We don't need that here. Bye-bye. Hold on. It's the same patch of grass! How many times do you have to go? It's not getting any shorter.